like this one.
Ay, sorry.
But this one, nice.
Sinispoil natin siya.
Like pirate, like sinubong. But this
Ano
one,
yun?
If I were to say someone who's spoiled here,
because
who would it be?
I'm telling you,
Ako nga minsan di ko
when I'm
Or we
13
spoiled someone dito.
to 15,
We started on the wrong note.
tulad ng, like my brother in the group o
kanina dyan.
the group.
Ba't kami hindi?
Baka kami tatlo tuto.
Hindi naman kayo nila.
Yeah, I think so.
Tayo.
The group.
He expects
Sabi niya,
na
tulungan mo ko kasi naprenda yung
And it's not
Craves.
for the right reason.
Yeah. I observe nga. He's
So, sabi
starting
ko,
to become
magkano ba
like,
kapenda?
Okay.
So, naawa ko sa kanya kasi walang pambili ng
Oo.
di ba?
Ganyan natin sa kwartas mo.
kahit siya nagpapansin niya.
And especially when
nasangla, sabi niya, nasangla sa isang
he or she did
kapitbahay
something
nila.
that
So,
doesn't
sabi ng kaibigan ko,
we have to
alam
force
mo yung
it,
sangla.
Lalabas ko.
even though it's
Oh,
Ano ba ito? Napakasimple na.
phone in,
Like yesterday, yung grocery. Di ba? Kaya napikon to.
I can't even spell it. I'll do it.
like that.
Yeah, it's a-
So, sabi, now,
Alam naman
Kasi
yun,
dati
hindi siya.
hindi siya
wala sa pambili ng
didn't care
rice,
about his age.
no
Yeah,
money.
now.
So, nasangla niya. So, nagkamali siya ng
Pinagsasabihan
person
niya
like
ako
that.
gawin
Oo.
na parang
person.
Di ba, dati ko pa
Akala
sinasabi
niya.
na masyadong,
Akala niya,
masyadong,
gold. So, sabi niya, napinda niya, naasangla niya sa the phone in the person, the neighborhood. So, tawag, pinipuntahan kita dyan.
we shouldn't call
I said, okay, I will.
anymore. We shouldn't say it. Call him like,
Pinuntahan ko,
Treat him like an adult.
yeah.
tingin niya, itong 500 may tira.
Sabi nga nito sa kanya, don't wait for me to tell you to eat.
Bigyan mo
You
sa
should
may
eat if you want to eat.
Yung sinanglaan.
All enough to make you understand.
Masyado niya nang
So, binigyan ko
binibigay
ng
pag
500 yung kasamahan ko. Kasi nakabili ng pagkain.
dapat,
Sige, kunin mo yun. Para
tanggalin natin
para
yun.
i-punta ko ng punsya. So,
let him
Yeah, like,
make decisions.
tingin ko,
yeah.
Let him,
this is not true.
Like when he asks if his butt looks good, say
Parang average
no.
yun.
Like, why are you asking me
Hindi ko
that
alam kasi.
question?
Komportable ka. Let's throw him back the question.
Bayaran ko.
First psychology.
tingin mo,
Refocus. Yeah. Kasi,
Ganap ako ng paraan. Ganitong gusto ko. Kaya ko rin yun.
yeah.
Tawagin na mo sa akin.
Kasi ako nagkaganito masyado nagpo-follow. Search ko.
Ito nga lang.
tayo ni mama.
Oo. So, sabi ko.
Parang bago mo
sige,
unahin sa,
hintayin mo yun. Pagdating
unahin mo
mo,
muna sila.
like this,
Yung
laptop,
intindihin mo
like
muna.
that.
Bago yung needs mo.
So, sabi ko,
Yung needs mo
sabi ko,
nila.
sana naman, gumawa mo ng gano'n. Pero hindi sa mga ganito gusto ko.
Oh, you just made me think about becoming a parent. No, not now. I'm too young.
You're just like 21?
20.
Not now.
Maybe later, just now I'm old. I think 27. That's
Nabibili ko sa isa pa naman. Sabi ko, kasi mas mahal na siya. Siyempre,
Ayaw ko mang-rape.
bigyan mo ako ng
Sabi ko sa mga kasamahan ko, ayaw ko mang-rape.
Ibang bigay.
Patulong lang ako ng bata, di ako marunong.
Ano ng tao?
Parang pagbigay, naabot ng taon.
Iwasan ng
iba din yung utang.
What about you?
Pero hindi ka mapagaling.
Hindi mo narinig ako ng kwenta.
Hindi magano bayad sa
ayaw ko talagang
yung down ba? Data-data.
sabi ko sa kanila. So,
Why?
mababae.
I want the box with the silver. May I want the box
Kaya
with
sabi
the
ko sa
silver.
sarili, sana naging mayaman.
I have a feeling there's gonna be something good in there.
Galingan. Ang daso.
Narinig mo yung sa, kung papapiliin ka. Di ba usually if game show siya, you get free boxes. You choose one.
Naawa ako sa mga may dahilan yan.
Okay, I'm gonna take
May
this
dahilan yan
out.
kung bakit
Okay,
nagawa
na
nila.
to.
Kasi,
He's gonna take one box out. Okay, you wanna transfer or not? With your choice.
yan ba? Tama yun?
Nasa mathematics yun. Mas maganda, you always transfer, you always transfer, you always transfer.
Gutom na gutom ako.
Kasi, the first choice you did was 30% more or less, diba? One-third, one-third, one-third. Pag tinanggal yung isa, although nakapili ka na, if you transfer, that's 50-50 na. So you up your chances.
After you,
Yun nila, they calculate like that.
may demon like this.
What if I stick with one and then leave it?
So you're playing the 30% lang instead of the 50.
Kaya nga sa board exam, strategy namin number 1 is elimination is the name of it. 4 choices eliminate the sure ones na wrong. What's left, sila yun.
What if they
Yun yung feeling
take
ko
the
bakit
one that's
nag-top ako eh.
the
Kaya
most
di ba lagi
No,
siyang
they're never
choose
gonna
the
take
best
the one
answer.
Yun yung tanong always.
Why
Kasi
not?
lahat naman correct.
They show it.
Choose the best answer?
Hindi mo napansin yung inaamoy ko.
What if they do?
No, example, okay, that's 0, 1 million, 0.
Maganda sila.
If you choose 0 here, hindi nila tatanggalin yung 1 million dyan. Kasi wala, parang ka lang nilaloko nila.
Nila ko.
They just, diba?
So they
can't
have
show.
to leave the one with the best
Oh.
price.
Yep.
Okay, then I'll take the chance.
Diba? Pero the usual mangyayari is you don't want to regret, so you don't want to transfer. That's what happens. But let's explain them. If you were to choose mathematics over your emotions, dapat you transfer.
So transfer as much as you can.
Every time they eliminate one, you transfer.
The knife. So,
Because for sure they took out some a 0.
Because it's hindi pwedeng kunin yung 1 million. Bawal
I
yun.
know how to. Kahit
Wow. Gutom ko.
kilos ako sa mga tao.
Ako hindi.
Kilos the person because nice.
Oo naman yun, syempre. Hindi kayo buto.
Dali.
Yeah. Had a little party.
No?
Nakakatawa dito yung
No, because when he came back,
may revelation na ginawa ang may
he
mga
ate mango.
Tak.
We had any coffee. We just wanted coffee.
Ay, alam
Yes,
ko
I'm-
lang. Alam
Went to a
ko
party
lang.
on the pool with
Kung
other
alam ko lang.
housemates.
for me, meron akong ginawa niyo.
Tandaan niyo, Carlo. Kahit ganun.
Did you? Because we heard stuff.
You heard stuff in the pool? Like girls? Guys?
Everyone.
In the pool?
I think they went with the other housemates in the pool.
Mukha silang babaligo.
Started to go to church.
You smell like chlorine. No, you smell like wax.
Nag-shorts siya kanina tapos naka-t-shirt.
Yeah, but they could have. Guys' hair dries so fast.
Yeah. Pero yung shorts niya, wala naman siya sigurong back.
I have board shorts. There are other pair of board shorts.
Bilib ako sa kanya.
Because I've never seen him wear his
Kasi
board
ako,
shorts here.
if I were you, I'd stop.
So what
Kasi kahit yung bibingka, ang layo, hindi mo mag-guess.
Bumalik na sa pwesto.
Ng bibingka.